IonQ stock is flying again, and that raises a simple question with a complicated answer. Is this the future of computing, or just another hype wave? IonQ began in 2015, built out of research from the University of Maryland and Duke. The core idea was bold. Instead of silicon transistors, use individual atoms to compute. Today, IonQ builds quantum computers using trapped ions, meaning charged atoms are held in place and precisely controlled to run calculations. A quantum computer is not a faster laptop, it is a specialized machine. Instead of bits that are either 0 or 1, it uses qubits, which can explore many possibilities at the same time. That makes quantum useful for narrow but powerful tasks, like drug discovery, material science, complex optimization, finance models, logistics, and parts of cybersecurity. It is more like a GPU for specific workloads than a replacement for everyday computers. The stock is moving now because IonQ is starting to look less like a lab experiment and more like a business. In the first quarter of 2026, IonQ reported record revenue of $64.7 million and raised its full-year revenue outlook to between $260 and $270 million. That matters because markets react to signs of de-risking, not finished technology. Investors also like that IonQ is expanding beyond computing into quantum networking, sensing, and security. That shifts the story from selling machines to building a broader quantum platform. On top of that, IonQ plans to buy SkyWater, a U.S. chip manufacturer. In plain terms, this could give IonQ more control over how future quantum hardware is built, instead of relying on outside factories. But the risks are real. Quantum computing is still early, systems are noisy, and true fault-tolerant machines remain a major engineering challenge. IonQ is spending heavily, competition from big tech and other quantum companies is intense, and timelines can slip. So is IonQ becoming the Nvidia of quantum, or is the market getting ahead of itself? The honest answer may be both. Quantum likely is part of the future, but IonQ stock is best seen as a high-volatility bet on who leads that future. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice.